Next question is question number 2a. This is again from exercise 3.2. Subtract the following. Subtract means we have to minus. So 2 from minus 19 by 9. So what we do here, we just write the second rational number first. Okay, we just write minus 19 by 9 first. So minus 19 by 9. So since we have to subtract, so minus what? Minus 2. Minus 2. So in here we see that 2 does not have any denominator. So if there is no number written in the denominator, remember it is always 1. Okay, it is always 1. It is not 0 nor 2 nor 3 nor 4. It is always 1. So this will be, so what do we do? Again, we have to find the LCM of the denominator. LCM of the denominator. So in here, the denominator is 9. So LCM of 9. And the LCM of, in here, 2 by 1. The denominator is 1. So we have to find the LCM of 9 and 1. So LCM of 9 and 1 is easy. We just write 9, 1 and 9. This is 1. So we have got here 1 and 1 at the bottom. So we just write 9. This is 9. So LCM of 9 and 1 is 9. Now, so we write now, just like we did in the previous question, minus 19 by 9 will be equal to minus 19 by 9 multiply equal. So here the LCM is 9, isn't it? So we have to get the denominator to be 9. So 9 multiply how much will we get 9? 9 multiply 1. And since we have multiplied by 1 in the denominator, we have to multiply by 1 in the numerator as well. So 19 multiply 1, we will get 9. But it's not done yet. This is a minus 19, isn't it? This is a minus and this is a plus 1. Since there is no sign in front of 1, it is always considered to be plus. So minus, multiply, and this is a multiply sign. Minus, multiply, plus, we will have to be minus. So we put minus. We have done for this rational number. Let us do for the 2 by 1. 2 by 1. So 2 by 1 multiply equal. So again, we have to get the denominator to be the LCM, which is 9. Here LCM is 9, so we have to get 9. 1 multiply how much will we get 9? 1 multiply 9. So again, since we have multiplied by 9 in the denominator, we have to multiply by 9 in the numerator as well. So 2 multiply 9, we will get 18. So now we have got their equivalent rational numbers. So we just write again this expression. Now minus 19 by 9 minus 2 by 1. This in here is a minus. In the previous question, this in the middle, the sign is plus. So equal. So here minus 19 by 9, this minus 19 by 9, we have written as the equivalent rational number of minus 19 by 9 is minus 19 by 9. So we just write minus 19 by 9. This is a minus sign, so minus. And again, the equivalent rational number of 2 by 1. The equivalent rational number of 2 by 1 is 18 by 9. So 18 by 9. So we write here in place of 2 by 1, we write 18 by 9. So we see here that they have the same denominator. Minus 19 by 9, the denominator is 9, and 18 by 9, the denominator is 9. So what do we do? Since they are of the same denominator, we just write only, which is 9. The denominator is 9, so we just write only 1 9. So again, we just write the numerator minus 19. This is a minus. What? Don't forget this minus 18. Minus 18. This will be equal to minus 19, and minus 18. So to solve this again, this is a minus, this is a minus sign. So minus, we will get plus, isn't it? We will get plus. So this plus, what does it tell us? It tells us that we have to add those two numbers. So 19 plus 18. 9 plus 8, we will get 17, isn't it? So we'll get 17. So I write here 7 and I carry 1. 1 plus 1, we get 2. 2 plus this one that we have carried, we will get 3. So we get 37. But it's not done yet. This is a minus sign. This is a minus sign. So again, we have to write the sign of the greater number. So in between 19 and 18, the greater number is obviously 19, isn't it? So since 19 is greater, we write the sign of 19, which is in front of 19. This is the sign of 19, which is in front. In front of 19, we have the sign minus, so we put minus 37. Minus 37 by 9. By 9, and this is the required answer. Next question, question number 2C. This is again from exercise 3.2. 3 by 4 from 2 by 3. So again here, we first write the second rational number first. So 2 by 3. From, since this is a question, subtract. So minus 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. So here again, we have to first find the LCM of the denominator. So in the first rational number, the denominator is 3. So 3. And in the second rational number, the denominator is 4. So 4. So we have to find the LCM of the 3 and 4. 3, 1 are 3. So we write 4 because 3 into how much equal 4? We do not have any number, isn't it? So we just write the number 4 here. So 4, 1, 4, 1 are 4. So we have got, in the bottom, we have got 1 throughout. So we just multiply we stop there and we multiply the side. 3 multiply 4, we have 3 multiply 4, and 3 multiply 4 will be equal to 12. So this is the LCM. 12 is the LCM. So taking the first rational number first, 2 by 3 will be equal to 2 by 3. Again, multiply equal. We have to get the denominator to be 12. So divided by 12. So 3 multiply how much will we get 12? 3 multiply 4. So since we have multiplied 4 in the numerator, in the denominator, we have to multiply 4 in the numerator as well. 2 multiply 4 will we get 8. So next, 3 by 4. 3 by 4 will be equal to 3 by 4. Multiply equal. So 4 multiply how much? We will get the LCM. The denominator as the LCM. 4 multiply 3 equal 12, isn't it? So again, we multiply by 3 in the denominator, to the numerator also by 3. So 3 multiply 3, we will get 9. So now we have their equivalent rational number. So we just write this again. We write now 2 by 3 minus 3 by 4. So we, in place of 2 by 3, we write its equivalent rational number, which is 8 by 12. So in place of 2 by 3, we write 8 by 12. This is a minus sign. This is a minus. So minus. So again, in place of 3 by 4, we write 9 by 12. So we write 9 by 12 equal. So since they are of the same denominator, we just write the denominator. Remember, only once, okay? We just write, this is 12, this is 12, so we just write 12. So again, we just minus or plus the numerator. So we just write here, numerator is 8, minus numerator here is 9. So 8 minus 9 equal 8 minus 9. This is plus 8, isn't it? Since there is no sign in front of 8, we will always assume it to be plus 8. So this is a plus 8 minus 9. So again, we have plus and minus. So plus and minus, we will get minus. So minus, this tells us to subtract. So we have to subtract. So we put first the greater number 9, which is 9 minus 8. So since we have to subtract, so I put here minus. 9 minus 8 will be equal to 1, isn't it? So 1, I write here 1. So again, I have to write the sign. For the sign, I have to write the sign of the greater number. So in between 8 and 9, the greater number is 9, isn't it? The greater number is 9. So we have to write the sign of 9. And the sign of 9, remember the sign of a number is always in front of the number, which in case of this here, it is minus 9. So minus 1 by 12. And this will be the answer. So students, this is exercise 3.2. I have done for you question number 1A and question number 1E. So please try question number B, C, D, and F for question number 1. And for question number 2, question number B, D, E, and F. And please send it to me when you're done.